Hello and welcome to Leave With Love, the channel. This is a spiritual channel. This is a spiritual channel, but I was like, oh, I had to handle some business this morning. The court case issue. Still talking about the court case. It's like, oh my God, this court case. I'm suing the Bronx Supreme Courthouse, the entire state of New York, the unified court system. These sirens keep going off. But I've had issues with the courthouse for many years, many years. So it was the divorce court, it was family court, it was child support court, it was damn. The sirens keep going off, going off. But everything started in '09 to now, present day, and I'm suing the courthouse, the Bronx, the whole system. Fuck all of y'all. I'm suing the whole system since 2024, March 1st of 2024. They don't want to acknowledge me. I'm like, oh, okay. Nobody wants to pay me mine on the court case that I filed since March 1st of 2021. But it's fine. So, and then the court case, there's a family court issue. There's family court. There's divorce court. The index numbers there. Everything is there. Everything is in the system. The whole thing with the child support court is like whenever you have an issue with child support or whenever something changes, you are issued a notice. You can't do nothing is supposed to be done in family court without notifying the other party. So the other party has to know. I want warrants of arrest issued. I want this issued. I have to serve them. I have to get them served, and they have to be served the paperwork to know what the hell is going on. Like an order is supposed to be granted. I know it's 80,000. I know it's 80,000 that he owes. The order was changed to 74,000. So I'm like, oh shit, they done dropped 6K. Who did it? Who changed the fucking numbers? So I went to the child support agency in Manhattan. They're like, no payment has been made. The only payment that was made was $23. Yeah. They was like, he hasn't made a payment since 2020. We're in 2025 now, right? Going into 2026. Nothing has been made. So why am I getting a check for $23? And it's from the Department of Taxation and Finance. But I'm like, but he doesn't pay taxes. He doesn't file taxes. So how is any money supposed to be taken out of taxes if he doesn't pay taxes? So I'm like, something's going on, or I'm like, oh, he's going to court with whoever he's fighting court with. He has an issue with someone else. So I'm like, so why they fucking with my stuff? Because he got something going on in with that case, they want to mess with my case. I'm like, okay. Nobody wants to give me any information because I went to the court, the what is it, the child support issues, and they said the case is closed. I'm like, how is it closed? My son is still in college. I was like, he hasn't paid for nothing. He hasn't done anything for his children. So I'm like, how is it closed? How? I gotta breathe. I'm like, these people are so incompetent. I'm like, you know, when you work in a courthouse, I've been in the courthouse 15 years. We all are given a username. All are given a username. All are given a password. You need that to enter into the database. Whatever work that you do for the day, it is recorded. It is entered. You did that. You did that. You deleted that. You fucked that up. You spelled this wrong. Yeah, you got to go back and fix it. Whatever you enter, you have to sign in with your username and password. That's how we know who is doing the work. Okay, right? So who deleted the numbers? Who put a payment in that he made a payment, that he made a lump sum payment? But then there's no record of a payment. There's no record of the disbursement. There's no record of him owing 80,000. I'm like, yo, he owed 80,000. Where's the proof? They want the proof. I'm like, I don't got no proof. I don't have no proof. Why am I being issued the $23 payment? Oh, the order was modified. The order was closed. The order was this. The order was that. But there's no record of it. Who is messing with the court case file? It's like, I always thought he was fucking on somebody in the courthouse. I'm like, there's no fucking way. Like, I keep going to court and everything keeps going in his favor. They never helped me. They never helped my children. They never fucking cared. This is the courthouse. This is family court. This is supposed to be for families, right? They don't give a fuck about the family. They don't care. They do not care. Everything was always in his favor. I'm like, yo, he fucking on somebody in the courthouse. But I'm like, who would be fucking on him? He's broke. He don't have nothing. He's going to court because of money. You owe all his money. Then somebody's gonna sit there. You fucking on him. So now you want to play like you doing him a favor and knock off 6K on his case that he owe 80K on. I'm like, yo, they this is some hot mess. This is so ghetto, so trash. It's just like, oh my God. Nobody see this shit? Like, somebody has to come in and look at who's entering the information, who's deleting where's the files, where's the money, where's it? All I could do, I just gotta let it go. Just let it go. Like, take all my energy back. Be like, you know what? I can't deal with this shit. These people are so dumb. They are so fucking dumb. It's like the orders in Supreme Court, the orders, everything was denied, denied, denied. Everything was always denied. I'm suing them now because of this shit, because of the shit that I had to endure, and then they don't want to acknowledge me. And I'm like, oh my God, they don't want to acknowledge the fucking facts because it's 405 pages of proof that they don't want to look at. They're hiding the documents, they're deleting files, they're switching the money around. The child support order is like, this order, the case is closed. It's been closed because the kids are over 21, but the balance was 80,000. What happened to the 80,000? How he got to 74,000? Why is there a $23 payment? Like, he don't work. He don't work. He's a fucking bum. But they were like, it's from taxes. How is it from taxes if he don't pay taxes? I'm like, they sitting here and they playing. They wanted to do a direct deposit. My direct deposit changed. I changed all of my bank information. My bank information is not the same. You can't send me no money. If you had my bank information in the past, my bank information is not the same. I changed everything because of the things that I have been going through. Whatever, the courts don't even have my bank information, so it's like, whatever. It's whatever. It's just like, oh my God, the system is just so corrupt. They're hiding the files, they're deleting the files. They want to act like they don't know what happened and who did what. Oh, I need to see. You need to see. Like, I have to show proof. The proof is on my Instagram. It's on my Instagram. I know I posted it on Facebook too, so now I gotta sit there and I gotta look through all my shit, through all my pictures. I gotta look through all this shit to see the child support stuff. And I'm just like, oh my God, like, this is what I have to do to prove what the fuck I'm saying. And I've been saying the same shit. I've been saying the same shit for many years and nobody does their job. I quit in 2020 and I sued them in 2024 because of sabotage, because of the shit, because of the shit. And then they're still doing this shit. And I'm just like, oh my God, I don't know why y'all want to fuck with me. Why? Whatever, But I'm going to put my divorce decree, I'm going to put the family court issue in the comments or whatever. But those two cases, the divorce decree and the child support, it's confidential information because it's sensitive information that's on there. Is the social security is on there, the date of birth is on there, all of your personal information is on there, so it can't be disclosed to the public, But the court case, like, I'm suing the courthouse, yeah, that's public. That is public. But the other stuff, the confidential, the fighting and all the bullshit, all the orders, the child support orders, the orders of protection orders, the violation of orders, the warrant of all that is confidential. You can't see that. You can't see it. somebody that's in the system has access to that, and then some other information it doesn't even have access. You can't get access to it. So who changed the money? Who changed it? It's somebody that has access to the mainframe. It's somebody that got access to the money, changed it. They changed the fucking fee that's owed. He owes that amount. So somebody, he fucking on somebody, because there's no way. There's no way. Why would you do that out of the kindness of your fucking heart? You're gonna help a loser, a deadbeat, somebody that don't take care of his kids. You're gonna help somebody like that? You gonna help somebody that doesn't do nothing for his kids? Like, who does shit like that? And this is the people in the courthouse doing shit like that. You know, he has my personal information, so he could sit there and he could falsify documents and he could say whatever, do whatever, because he fucking on somebody. He fucking on somebody that's gonna sit there and do everything in his fucking favor. And I'm like, yo, like nobody see this shit. Like nobody knows what the hell is going on. Like you don't see this shit. Like I've been dealing with this shit for many years. The sabotage, the forgery, the fraud, the theft, all this shit. Is years of this shit. I know when there's a fucking issue. I know when something's off. Like, why am I getting the check? I should not be getting any kind of money. I shouldn't be getting any money. Why am I getting the money? The order was modified. No, there was no order modified. That's what I was told. Oh, the order is closed because the children are 21. So why am I getting the money now? What happened? Nobody want to say nothing. Nobody want to tell me what the fuck is going on. And me and Rodolfo Reyes, we not friends. Because we either gonna fight, we're gonna argue. We don't get along. We don't get along. And he cannot speak to me. We cannot have a decent conversation. We will never be friends. And it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. We will never be friends. I will never talk to him nice. I will never be fucking nice. This man put me through hell. And now you got somebody in the court system helping you do this shit to me. My God. Like, I just need somebody to do their fucking job and resolve this and give me some fucking answers. Give me answers, you know? Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Don't think about this shit. Don't think about this shit. I can't think about this shit. Let it go. Let these people do their job, but they don't never do their fucking job. And it's just like, you know what? I don't even know. I don't even know what's gonna happen. But I'm gonna put this shit in the comments, not the comments, in the description box, so you can see the divorce decree. You can see I've been in court for many years dealing with this shit. Ever. What fucking ever. Leave with love, leave with love. These people don't do their job. And I have to be okay with the fucking bullshit. Like, leave with love. Bye.